Welcome back to Turbo Trends TV. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated performance sedans of the year, the 2025 Subaru WRX STI. This beast is back, sharper, meaner, and more capable than ever. If you're a fan of rally-bred performance, turbocharged power, and all-wheel drive dominance, then stick around because we're breaking down everything you need to know about Subaru's latest powerhouse. From its aggressive new design to its improved interior, blistering performance, and pricing details, we've got it all covered. So buckle up, hit that like button, and let's get started. Exterior. The moment you lay eyes on the 2025 WRX STI, you can tell Subaru isn't messing around. This isn't just another WRX with a few extra badges. It's a purpose-built, high-performance machine that's ready to take on any road or track. The front end is dominated by a newly redesigned grille, now larger and more aggressive, allowing for better airflow to the engine. The headlights are sharper, featuring Subaru's signature C-shaped LED DRLs, giving it a fierce look day or night. A more sculpted hood with a functional air intake scoop ensures the turbocharged engine gets the cooling it needs for peak performance. The bumper has been redesigned as well, with larger air intakes and a more aerodynamic structure, reducing drag while increasing stability at high speeds. It all screams performance, and if you weren't already excited about this car, one look at the front end should do the trick. Moving to the side, the WRX STI continues to showcase its aggressive stance. Subaru has widened the track slightly, improving both handling and stability. The body lines are sharper than before, giving the car a more athletic and muscular profile. The flared wheel arches house stunning 19-inch forged alloy wheels wrapped in high-performance rubber, ensuring maximum grip on both tarmac and loose surfaces. Subaru has also revised the side skirts for improved aerodynamics, while subtle STI badging on the fenders reminds you that this is no ordinary WRX. The side mirrors are now more aerodynamically shaped and finished in gloss black, adding a sleek contrast to the body color. And speaking of colors, Subaru is offering the WRX STI in a range of new hues, including an exclusive rally-inspired blue that pays homage to its racing heritage. Swinging around to the back, you'll find one of the most recognizable features of any WRX STI: the massive rear wing. Subaru knows that the STI faithful love a bold statement, and this wing isn't just for show. It provides real downforce, improving high-speed stability and cornering grip. Below that, the rear bumper has been reworked to include a more aggressive diffuser, helping to manage airflow efficiently. The quad exhaust setup looks and sounds absolutely savage, delivering that signature Subaru rumble we all love. Redesigned LED taillights give the WRX STI a modern touch while maintaining its distinctive C-shaped design language. There's also a new rear lip spoiler integrated into the trunk lid for added downforce, and the overall design is sharper, more refined, and performance-focused. Interior. Step inside, and you'll immediately notice a significant improvement in quality and technology. Subaru has finally stepped up its game, giving the WRX STI an interior that matches its performance pedigree. The driver-focused cockpit features a redesigned flat-bottom steering wheel wrapped in Alcantara with red contrast stitching and the STI logo embossed in the center. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, allowing you to monitor vital stats like boost pressure, G-forces, and real-time all-wheel drive to work distribution. The center console is dominated by a massive 11.6-inch touchscreen running Subaru's latest Starlink infotainment system, offering wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with navigation, performance telemetry, and even a built-in track mode. The seats have been completely redesigned with aggressive bolstering to keep you planted during spirited driving. Finished in a mix of Alcantara and leather with red accents, they scream performance and comfort in equal measure. Carbon fiber trims and brushed aluminum details are scattered throughout the cabin, giving it a premium and race-inspired feel. Subaru has also improved interior insulation, meaning less road noise and more focus on the addictive turbocharged soundtrack. Performance. Now, let's talk about what truly makes the WRX STI special at performance. Under the hood, the 2025 WRX STI packs an all-new 2.4-liter turbocharged flat-4 engine, producing an estimated 400 horsepower and 370 pounds-feet of torque. That's a significant bump from the previous generation, and it puts this STI right in the mix with some serious competitors. Power is sent to all four wheels through Subaru's advanced symmetrical all-wheel drive system, featuring an updated version of the driver-controlled center differential, DCCD, for precise torque distribution. Subaru has also upgraded the transmission, offering a reinforced 6-speed manual gearbox that delivers crisp shifts and better durability. If you prefer an automatic, there's an optional performance-tuned 8-speed automatic with paddle shifters, providing lightning-fast gear changes. The suspension has been retuned for better handling, with a new adaptive damper system that allows you to adjust the ride stiffness depending on your driving style. Whether you're carving through mountain roads or attacking a racetrack, the 2025 WRX STI feels sharper, more planted, and more confidence-inspiring than ever before. Braking has also been upgraded with larger Brembo brakes, featuring 6-piston front calipers and 4-piston rears, ensuring fade-free stopping power even under extreme conditions. The 2025 WRX STI is expected to hit the market with a starting price of around $48,000, placing it slightly above the outgoing model but still offering incredible performance for the money. Fully loaded variants with premium interior options, performance packages, and carbon fiber accents could push the price closer to $55,000. Compared to rivals like the Toyota GR Corolla, Honda Civic Type R, and even the BMW M235 iX-Drive, the WRX STI continues to offer a unique blend of rally-inspired performance and all-weather capability. So, is the 2025 Subaru WRX STI worth the hype? Absolutely. With more power, a sharper design, a refined interior, and improved handling dynamics, it remains a true enthusiast's machine. Subaru has taken everything we loved about the previous generation and turned it up to 11. If you're a fan of turbocharged thrills and all-wheel drive dominance, this is the car to have. That's a wrap for today's deep dive on the 2025 Subaru WRX STI. What do you think of this beast? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from Trendz TV. Stay tuned for more in-depth car reviews, and as always, keep your engines roaring. See you in the next one.